Hello, this is Nigel Richardson. I'm going to be talking about meeting etiquette. In the Indian custom, it is better suited if you are introduced by a third party to have someone vouch for you sits well with them. When meeting with clients in India for the first time, remember to dress professionally and appropriately, but not too flashy, because these people are humble and equal. Looking as if you're superior to them will not sit well with them. When meeting with a group, it is important to greet everybody individually, but keep in mind that the Indian culture is accustomed to greeting the eldest first, the most senior person first, and so on. This is due to the hierarchy social system that the Indian has built. Also, when meeting with clients, know that in many situations it is not common for women and men to shake hands due to religious purposes. Therefore, stay alert when going around in a particular setting. In these images, you can see helpful tips on how to speak when on the phone with Indian clients, and how to act in their country, such as removing your shoes and being aware not to use your left hand for gestures. Continuing on with the slides on meeting etiquette. Once it is time to manage a workday, be sure that you know that 10 a.m. seems to be an early start to the Indian custom. So, scheduling meetings, you should shoot for around 10 a.m. or 12 p.m. As most Indian people don't follow the early bird gets the worm model, it's important to try not to be early to these meetings. As Indian people are working with Westerners, they will take into consideration that we work earlier. So don't try to be too early to these meetings. Just be on time. Maybe 5 to 10 minutes before is appropriate. Being in a work area, you are going to interact with both men and women. Make sure to be cautious of your body movements in these interactions, especially with the women. Avoid touching or reaching over to grab anybody or any body parts areas. It is important to just keep your hands to yourselves and interact casually and humbly. When standing, avoid looking standoffish and any aggressive postures, such as folding your arms or hands on your hip, are considered to be aggressive postures. When in a work setting or out in the city or someone's house, putting your feet up or on any furniture is deemed disrespectful. So keep in mind that using your left foot or left hand are considered dirty. So avoid putting them or leading with them in any situation. To finish up our presentation, Lorraine Metzger will continue to discuss negotiation.